Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, in this video is the last part to my YouTube studio, my filming setup, whatever you want to call it. This is the last part, and yeah, if you want to see what's going on in the last part, then just keep watching. Okay? Guys, so I'm just gonna go over some of the products that I bought from at home. So this is like an at-home haul, and yeah, I know I look all kind of raggedy, which is how I look 90% of the time on this channel. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. Let's get into this haul. So the first thing I bought, and I bought this to go in on my cube, and it says bless this mess, honey. Cause y'all know it's a whole mess, okay? And then the next thing that I'm gonna open, like some of the stuff I bought, I don't even know if I'm gonna put it in the cube up here in the YouTube creator studio or filming room, or if I'm gonna put it downstairs in my other cube in my other office. So this little cute little chickadee, it's so cute. Bye, Tayshawn. Go find your, don't come in here until you find your book. Oh, okay. Well, find your book. I got another chickadee. Bye, Tayshawn, because you don't got no clothes on. So don't come in here.
I didn't even put it.
Oh, okay. And then I got Organized Chaos, you guys. I am a big fan of anything with words on it. Take time, bye. Okay, thank you. Okay. And then I bought this vase, you guys. I hope it fits. So I did buy that. I think I bought another one just like it, but it's not as big. And then I bought this little cute vase. Like I said, at this point I don't know how I'm going to set it up, but I am definitely going to set it up some kind of way. And then this is just like my pop of color, another little vase. I think this is another vase, just like the one I just showed you. There we go. And so next, this room definitely needs to be cleaned. Next, I bought this car. Isn't this so cute? I thought this was so cute. So I bought that. I want it to be like a centerpiece type deal thing going on. I bought some greenery. Of course, it is fake because I don't have time to be taking care of greenery. But I bought this. I bought this, which was another little piece of greenery that I bought. And then I bought this, as you guys remember me seeing, like they're two separate. One is taller than the other one. But I think I want those in the same cube. And then, I think this is the last bag. I bought this cute little elephant. I love elephants, you guys. Love elephants, okay? I think this is another elephant. I think I bought 2 elephants. I love elephants. And then this is the smaller base, like this. So it's a big one and then it's a small one. So yeah, that is all I got. And if you want to see how I set it up, then just keep watching.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube studio. Come on in. All right, so now that you are in here, I'm just gonna go over, just everything that's in here. I pretty much have shown you guys how I did everything or whatever. So here is my little mannequin head with my little headband wig on it. That bag right there has some makeup in it. As you guys know, I don't really do makeup, but I've been trying to dibble and dab in it. I don't know if videos are going to come out or not because I've been looking a little clownish, okay? This right here is one of the lights, one of 3 that I have. Love these lights. Love, 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 love these lights. That's 2 of 3. This right here is my camera, which is a Canon M50. If you do not watch Catherine Manning, or aka, or also known as the content bug, she no longer uses that name, but that is what she was when I first found her. But on YouTube, she is Catherine Manning. She gives great YouTube tips. I have a ring light, of course, and then here is 3 of 3, the lights. This right here is my little stand for my iPhone, because if you guys know, then you know. If you don't, then you don't. But while I am recording my camera videos, I also try to record videos on my iPhone that I can put on to Instagram or TikTok or whatever the situation may be. This is my desk, you guys. Paper towels. I hate for hair and stuff to get on my hands, so I always like to have paper towels in here. I have a mirror, and of course, check my mirror out. Yes, it lights up, you guys. It lights up. Yeah, little headband. I don't even know if I want to go in the drawers, but I have a little bit of everything in these drawers. Elastic wraps, shower caps for my deep conditioners, another charger, clips, rubber bands, the whole 9 in that drawer. And then in this drawer right here, I have some edge control, combs, what do you call these things? Back in the day, they were called stocking caps because they were made out of stockings. I'm not sure. I don't know if that's how they made it. I don't know. But yeah, so that's all I have in there. And then the beauty of the room is this 25 cube stand or bookshelf or whatever you want to call it, from Better Homes. Better Homes is sold in Walmart or Walmart.com. I got, of course, I'm sure you guys have already seen that I got these decor items or decor items from At Home. And yeah, and then these are all my natural hair products. I do have more natural hair products than this. They're in my bathroom. But yeah, I wanted to keep my natural hair products at the bottom of the shelves, and that's how I kind of want to keep it. I got the lights in the back from Amazon, and hopefully I will have everything linked below. I don't know if I'm going to be able to link the stuff from At Home, but I will try. And definitely the products will not be linked. The natural hair products, there's too many natural hair products for me to link. As you guys can also see, my chair is over on this side, and I bet you're like, why is your chair on the opposite side of the drawers? Okay, so if you guys have or have not seen my videos, I tend to record me actually doing my hair on that side, and that is why the dressers or the drawers are on that side, so that I can pull out things that I need when I need them while doing my hair. This side right here, so that's the side that I use over there while doing my hair. And of course, yes, I have to move the room around because I use both sides of the dresser. And then on this side, I pretty much do my intro and outro. So yeah, you guys, that is my little setup, and I hope you liked it. Let me know what your favorite part was. If you guys stayed to the end of the video, thumbs up for you. Thumbs up for you. You have seen my whole filming setup, YouTube studio room, the whole 9. So yeah, if you had not done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Okay. Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Leave me a comment below. What do you think about my new setup? Let me know in the comments below. Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later.